Hi everyone, and welcome to week 7. This week we're getting started on our rhetorical analysis essay. So you're going to read a general article about analysis, a more specific article about rhetorical analysis, and I'm going to ask you to watch a documentary film called League of Denial about the NFL that will give us some background information for your essay. You're also going to do the large group workshop in the same style we did last time. I've got some sample papers in here that you'll comment on. I'll ask that you not comment more than 5 times so that everyone has a chance to have their voices seen. And then I'm also going to ask you to do a short analysis of the movie League of Denial. So that's what's up for this week. I have graded all of your essays except for a couple people who had some issues with file sharing. So you should have a good idea of what you need to be working on for future essays. Of course, as always, check in with me if you have any questions. Have a great week.